Cracks can be detected in both the engine block and turbine blades. This type of testing is important for ensuring the safety of jet engine. Okay, you're asking me, why is the PW4000 the best-selling Pratt & Whitney engine? The PW4000 is Pratt & Whitney's best-selling engine because it is one of the most reliable and efficient engines in their lineup. The PW4000 has a long history of powering some of the world's most popular aircraft, including the Airbus A330 and Boeing 747. Okay, you're asking me, what are the top 5 sales features for the Pratt & Whitney GTF engine? The Pratt & Whitney GTF engine features include 1. Increased efficiency. 2. Reduced noise. 3. Reduced emissions. 4. Improved performance. 5. Greater flexibility. Okay, you're asking me, which is the safest Pratt & Whitney engine to date? The safest Pratt & Whitney engine to date is the F100. Okay, you're asking me, what's the safety track record on the PW4000 jet engine from Pratt & Whitney? In general, the PW4000 jet engine has an excellent safety record and is considered to be one of the most reliable and safe jet engines in operation today. Okay, you're asking me, has the PW6000 been involved in any accidents from Pratt & Whitney? There have been no accidents involving the PW6000. Okay, you're asking me, what's the fuel consumption of the PW4094 series for Pratt & Whitney? The PW4094 has a fuel consumption of approximately 0.43 pounds per hour/lbf. Okay, you're asking me, what's the maintenance interval for the Pratt & Whitney GTF engine? The maintenance interval for the Pratt & Whitney GTF engine is 3,000 hours. Okay, you're asking me, what's the acceptable crack propagation in a blade in the law compressor on the GTF engine Pratt? A general guideline is that the crack propagation should not exceed 0.5 mm per cycle. Okay, you're asking me, which crack propagation identification methods are typically used for jet engines? There are a few different crack propagation identification methods that are typically used for jet engines. Some of these methods include visual inspection, eddy current testing, and ultrasonic testing. Okay, you're asking me, can you tell me how ultrasonic testing is used for crack propagation identification in jet engine? Ultrasonic testing is used for crack propagation identification in jet engines by sending high-frequency sound waves through the metal and using sensors to detect any cracks that